Welcome to my channel, and today we'll be talking about how to make a good impression at a new job. Firstly, you must dress appropriately, turn up with the right equipment, be on time, have appropriate meeting and email etiquette, and stay organized. Secondly, show an enthusiastic and positive attitude. Admit to your mistakes so you can get them corrected. Interact with your colleagues, take initiative, and show high emotional intelligence. Thirdly, be proactive. Learn from your experienced colleagues, become an active listener, stick to your deadlines, and be available for constructive feedback. I wish you every success in your future. If you have any questions, send me an email which is in the description below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.